Hello. So the next one that I was going to go over was future Photoshop tricks you need to know in advance. So I thought his stuff was cool. His name is Amish Dinda. I wonder if I said that right. I probably didn't. But what I was enjoying about his content or what he was showing was just like simple stuff. I've also gone over this with my teacher. Some of this already has been gone over, but he's just doing more of that. And I guess it's kind of nice to relook at this and relearn. So with this first one, hopefully right here, how he's doing it. So he's going out. It looks like he's something with opacity. So he's going over it. So this is the part that I was enjoying. Was he was using? I'm looking up the tool he was using. Give me a second. So he was. Well, one second. So he's using this tool right here. It's a paint selection tool. It kind of acts like a paint, and you paint over, and once you do it, you can actually add. So what I'm seeing is you can add a generative fill, and in there, you can pick something for it. You can change it to something like watercolor. So what he's showing is once you paint over it with that red, and this is what you're going to get, something that is watercolor. You can pick different variations. There is a mask for it, so I don't think it messes up the original. So this would be all, very swell. Let's see something else. So we're going to, far further ahead, and he's actually enjoying using this tool. This tool that's being used is kind of simple, and I used in class the remove tool, but showing more about it. So you can use the remove tool in a way where it can legitimately. So I think you need to collect sample layers, and he said also remove it after each stroke will actually make it quicker. But he also has a layer over a layer, and you're affecting this, or what is it? It's affecting current and below, so you can actually affect this. And he went down with it, and he was getting rid of the wrinkles in the shirt, or straightening it out and making it look better. It actually does look better, to be honest, in what I'm seeing. And then he actually goes up with his concept. I'm kind of rushing with this, but he's going with the concept of like using this remove tool and just going out and just doing all this. I believe I keep forgetting, Control and then Alt and click. I kind of forgot what it was, but the certain tool that you can use to do this whole thing. And once he does this, he can also like color in the rest, but you can get the concept of this. So after he colors the rest in, what is he doing now? Wait. He does this. Oh, and he's just turning up the show that he's coloring the stuff in and what he's about to do. And this is to do with the remove tool. So once he does that, he actually removes the whole piece. So it's all gone. He does that, and it's back to 25, and then he presses enter, and bam, it's gone. And then you can do some fixes. If stuff looks off, you can use that tool to make it look better. So it's pretty useful. But he's just showing other stuff. So the next thing I was enjoying that he was showing was going on with Photoshop. So he was adding something on it. I'm not 100% sure. So let me go forward. So he's going to the curves tool. He added that adjustment layer, and then he clicks on it with that, and he will turn. He gave it like more of an orangey type look, and you can see between with the curves. And then next thing he does. So let me see. Add a new adjustment layer. He's just showing how you do that. He adds another curves in. And what he's going to try to do is he's using this tool right here. Oh, wait. The adjustment brush is what he was using for this. So he's using, this is the adjustment brush. And by him coloring over it, you can go and control that and go back and forth on that. That is pretty dope, actually. Then hue and saturation. So now he wants to affect the red on this motorcycle. So with the adjustment brush, I'm going to turn this off. The adjustment brush, so he puts down the lightness and then he goes back to the master and he just puts the red to that. And then he goes ahead and adds black. So he's legitimately just replacing the color. And it doesn't seem like even if he put the color on the outside that it would actually replace anything else. It doesn't affect anything else, which is kind of, well, it's quite interesting actually. But let me rush to this last thing. Was it 942? Oh, for this. So this lady, he's trying to add, what is it? I guess lightness on her, darken like the background somewhat, but like a spotlight on her. So he adds the curves, but he doesn't want it directly on her. So he does Control I to invert, and then once he does that, he's actually want to do something else. So I believe he adds another curves layer. No. He adds a group one. Wait. Group one, and then what is he doing? He's adding a, what is it? I think this is a radial gradient, or like, I believe that's what he's gonna add. And then what he's doing, like a spotlight like that. So everything on the outside, there's the brightness inside and the darker on the outside. And that's how he's adding it. Not that bad, actually. So there you go. Some simple stuff about Photoshop. Anyways, I'm going to leave it from there because I got to end it here. Can't have this too long. Wait, record video?